Butner, Mariah, Eno River State Park, and Searle. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Person. This is no